Over the last few years, most aspects of business have been digitized. Thousands of brick-and-mortar stores have transitioned to an e-commerce platform. Billboard advertising is losing ground to social media advertising. Print media is slowly taking a back seat, and concepts like SEO and digital marketing have come to the fore. Cloud computing and accounting software are more prevalent than ever. As the use of accounting software increases, it is easier for businesses to automate basic, time-consuming, and repetitive tasks. This not only saves time, but will also reduce accounting errors. Accounting software also helps businesses eliminate redundancies. There is no need to spend hours trying to record transactions or maintaining books. Here's your chance to digitize your accounting processes. gotomyerp is helping businesses streamline their accounting processes by adopting cloud-based solutions. Get in touch to learn more about our QuickBooks hosting and Sage Cloud hosting services. We also provide technical support and consultation services to gotomyerp clients. Contact us today. Cloud-hosted data management solutions have enabled more advantages than we could have imagined. While most of these solutions were available to people in their offices, cloud computing has made running a business far more convenient than ever before. The dynamics of the industry and the adoption rates for cloud-based solutions speaks volumes about their efficacy. When we look at the advantages of cloud hosting QuickBooks, it's almost like carrying your entire business in your pocket. While QuickBooks is one of the best business data management software in the market, it introduces new possibilities for collaboration and mobility. Additionally, third-party cloud hosting service providers offer one of the widest range of security protocols to keep your data safe. Get in touch with us today to sign up for a QuickBooks subscription. Are you looking for tailor-made and highly optimized accounting solutions packages? gotomyerp provides the best all-round QuickBook hosting services, enabling businesses big and small to maximize the profits of the globally acclaimed accounting software. As an Intuit authorized firm, we have firmly established ourselves as the tech partner of choice for SMEs around the globe. The company has garnered quite a reputation for its exceptional round-the-clock application support designed to keep client operations running seamlessly. Customer support is one of our top priorities, and we stand behind all of the products and packages we offer. We work with the philosophy that when your business grows, we grow with you. The delivery of superior security and unparalleled service on a daily basis is a promise we make to our clients. Try us for yourself. For more information, visit our website, gotomyerp.com, or get in touch with our experts at 877-888-5525.